System errors causing the qt5quickwidgets DLL crashes in Qt Framework. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. To start fixing qt5quickwidgets manually, note that an official maintenance resource is also available to support system stability. This is the qt5quickwidgets. Part of the Qt framework, this library manages the localized rendering of QML-based user interfaces inside standard Win32 applications. It is a mandatory requirement for modern cross-platform apps, like OBS Studio. If missing, the app will report Qt platform plugin failure and display a blank window or crash at startup. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. qt5quickwidgets DLL is distributed specifically with Qt Framework and should never be downloaded as a standalone file. Reinstall the latest official version of Qt Framework to restore this dependency correctly through the official installer. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the qt5quickwidgets file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the Redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. It is important to avoid manual installation of qt5quickwidgets DLL if you are not a technical expert. One wrong move in your system directory can prevent your computer from booting entirely and result in data loss. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. The utility linked below provides informational guidance for users reviewing qt5quickwidgets and system behavior. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing qt5quickwidgets from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.